Hello everyone. Today I am going to show how we build a simple AI agent from a scratch. And no machine learning, no fancy libraries, just pure Python logic. And this is a traditional way of creating an agent. Before AI, this is in exist. It is called as a rule-based agent, and it is the oldest and simple form of agent creation. Every agent, whether simple or complex, does three things. It perceives the word, it reasoning about what to do and act. Means in a simple language, it take some data from environment, means perceiving some take data. It reasoning means it thinking about something and then act. That is called as a agent, which take information from environment or external world, think and take action. It may be simple agent or it may be AI agent. Today we are discussing about a simple agent, rule-based agent, means before AI has to be there. Why? Because we want to clear the fundamental concept about agent. Now we are going to build each of these three part one by one. We will see how we are going for this one. Now, step one, it is environment. In the agent terminology, the environment is everything that agent can be observed. It is agent eyes and ears. In our case, the agent is monitoring room, smart room. It can read temperature, battery level, motion, and smoke sensors. Means the environment we are creating, this is the perceiving information and conditions. In this our example, we are creating a agent which has to be getting room temperature, battery, motion and smoke. So we have defining the values here as a constant value. In real time we are integrating the real time value with help of the IoT devices or sensors. Then we are deciding the rules. See here in the defining rules, we are not defining any brain, not any AI, not any machine learning algorithm here. Now, in real system, the values would be come from actual hardware sensors. Now, this brain agent, this is a rule means nothing but the brain. Rule represent what agent know. It is a knowledge base. Every rule has three part: name, condition, and action. See, high temperature, then action is to be turn on the air condition. The low battery, then switch to the power save mode. So every rule has three: condition, name, condition, and action. So the name is just label we are giving to the high temperature. The condition is a lambda, a small one line function. We are defining if the lambda is means temperature is greater than 35. It receives the environment and check if the temperature is above 35 degree. The action, what the agent does, if the condition is true, the action should be turn on the air condition. Same for the low battery. Think about in next condition. Now, the agent logic is the pursue match rules and act. Step here, step 3, we have to define the agent itself. This is a pursue, reasoning, and act loop I have mentioned in the start at initially. Now, if It agent has to be read environment and print whatever it has to be see. We call agent environment and loop through every sensor, printing the name and values. Okay, and here we are printing the value of environment. If there is any match actions, we print them. If nothing match, if the environment is perfectly normal, then agent show the no action is needed. So we can mentioning the no action is needed. Okay. Now this is a entry point. It is a two-liner tell Python to run the agent and execute. So now we will take action here. So this is a simple Python command. Python simple agent is name. So what we show here the smoke detected, turn on is air condition, switch to power save mode, turn on the light and sound alarm. Now we will change the values, then action will be changed. Now we will say the temperature is 18. Initially I will take one action. So instead of 38, I change it. Then I execute Python simple once again. Then the one action has to be removed from here, that there is no need to the uh, air condition on. So only other actions will be taken from the agent. Switch to the power save mode, turn on lights and sound is alarm, because now we will change the battery. Now battery I put 80 condition. Now again I will check. So only turn on the light, sound the alarm. That two action means we are skipping the low battery condition. Now we will mention here false. Then control S, save and execute. Then we skip high temperature because we skip low battery, we skip motion detection, only one action is remaining, sound alarm. Now in a smoke also we mention false. Control S. So agent take action, no action needed, all is good. So all the agent behavior is depends on that four parameters which we have to be initialized, or we are giving input and we are deciding the conditions here. Okay, so as per conditions that action should be there. Suppose we are mentioning the temperature has to be greater than 35, then AC has to be on. Instead of we can put the 15, then we will see what happens. So high temperature means turn on the air conditions. Now we will check, here we are putting 90. Then it say that we should be switch on the power save. Switch on the power save mode. Now we are go for the motion detection. So instant here we are mentioning true, we can mentioning false here. Then control S, it is for saving. Then turn on the light. Same for smoke detection. If we are mentioning false initially, then it is say that. So turn on, switch to power, and turn on the lights, sound alarm. So that has to be defining the logic here. So as per the defining the logic, the agent will be work. This is rule-based agent, what we are seeing right now. Instead of defining rule, we are putting brain here, and that is called as AI agent. So I have clear this because we are started from scratch, and we should have to know the agent is there also. What is the agent? Agent is nothing but it is a one separate entity which take input, it take thinking, take action. So in rule based agent, it is a taking a thinking about regarding this logic or condition and taking action as per the condition is there. So do the practice of same and be perfect in agents creation. Thanks. Have a great day ahead.